I very gently kind of pull, I either press or pull up on those little arms a little bit just to make sure that the sensor is in nice and firmly, okay? Now my camera angle is really tight because I wanted to show you that sensor. Now, but what you're going to want to do, of course, is go do it on the other side, which I haven't done yet. And then you're just going to take it and just press this back into place. Just snap it right back in, really super simple. This will all snap right back into the same spots. And then we're going to crawl underneath and put the plastic rivets back in and those 4 screws if you have the screws. And you're pretty much good to go. So let me get this snapped into place. I'll show you the rest. All right, so as you can see, it's snapped into place. If you use painter's tape, you might want to take it off before you put the new one on. I got a little bit of tape left behind that gave me a little bit of a challenge to get it out of there without scraping my paint. It came out okay, but that's fine. So when you do snap this back into place, just make sure to snap this lower lip back into place. This rubber gasket, kind of grommet here that helps focus air up into your coolers. Make sure that that's all in place and nothing is out of place. Okay, so go ahead and crawl underneath. Go ahead and put those plastic rivets in on either end and those 10 millimeters across the bottom, and you're all done. Good job. All right, also go ahead and clean and put your tools away. You can tell this is not a hard project to do. This is something you can do really simply in just a few minutes, and it can dramatically change the appearance of your car. And it's something, like I said, the first time I saw it, I knew I wanted to do it. So thank you to IND for making such a fantastic product, and their paint matching is excellent. Thank you to Keys Motorsports as being one of the best places to buy IND products through.